Why order of operations is so important. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. And in today's video, we're going to really drive home the importance of the order and the steps that you choose to write your algorithm. So we're still unpacking the nth prime. So right here is a function to find the nth prime, but it is incorrect. Its order of operations is incorrect. So right here, let's look and see what the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth prime numbers are. So let's just go ahead and run this. First is 2, second 3, 3, 5, 4, 7. We're okay up until 5, 9. So we can check our work right here to see that it's not our primary function, no pun intended. So is 9 prime? False, it is not. So I want you to go ahead and really kind of look at this, and if you did watch last week's video, and if you haven't, I'll go ahead and put that straight above so you can link back and check that out. But I built this. This is actually, when I was redoing this is the first time. This was what gave me the idea to do the flowchart and draw this all out. Because in my head, I knew what steps I needed to do, but I couldn't remember the order in which they went, which is a flaw. I was trying to remember it. I wasn't thinking through until I got to this part, and we're going to dissect this next video. But if you have not subscribed, if this is the first time you're here on this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and if this is the type of video you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. But this is what I really want to drive home, and this may seem like a minutia of a topic, but if this is a barrier in which you have a challenge with programming, I want to really dig down and destroy this issue, why I did the flowchart, so you can get in the practice of drawing out the order of operations in which we need to do. So if you go back and look at the steps in which we drew, this is going to become glaringly obvious. So in next video, we're going to fix this, and I'm really going to go through the steps, and we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of, and we're also going to attack that efficiency loop that I had at the bottom. Now, it won't really change this algorithm because it's not super complex and it doesn't have a lot of branching off, so we don't save any time or cost, but it is a great exercise because I didn't think about it until I drew it out. So it was actually a great exercise for me too. But real quick video today. But yes, there is a flaw in this part right here. So take time, look at it, see if you can figure it out. Drop it in the comments below. Actually, don't put it in the comments below. Jump over down on Discord and set it over there. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I greatly appreciate it. I love the support, the subscriber growth, the community growth we have over on the Discord server, the tremendous support we have there. But I can't say enough. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.